Hello, my name is Josh Graff and welcome back to Graff Woodshop. Today I'm talking about 10 small woodworking YouTubers that you should go and follow on YouTube right now. Go subscribe to them. Actually, don't even listen to the list. Just go down there, click on all their links, go subscribe. Then come back here and find out why. If you've spent very much time watching woodworking YouTube videos, I'm sure you've heard of the big names like Jay Bates, April Wilkerson, John Malecki, Matt Outlaw, 731 Woodworks, and so many others. But if you're wanting to kind of check out some smaller people just getting started out, maybe with some people that have shops that look a little bit more like yours and don't have $25,000 in tools, then these are the people that you want to check out. Small-time people getting started out, trying to share their knowledge and have some fun while they're at it. So here's my list of 10 small woodworking YouTubers that you should check out right now. The first one on this list is Jake with Make with the Jake. If you're looking for some videos that have great quality, edited very well, you need to go check out Jake's channel. Out of everybody on this list, this guy knows his cinematography. He knows how to put together a great video. I don't know how his channel is so small with the way his videos look, but go and check him out. He's always got some great projects going on between shop organization, projects around the house, and just making some cool stuff. Go check this guy out. The second person on my list is 4-3-2-1 Woodworking. This guy, out of everybody on the list, is the newest channel, but I think he's got a lot of potential. He just did a new project the other day on a jointing sled that he made for his table saw. It's a great video. Go check it out. Go ahead and subscribe to him because I'm sure he's got some more great things coming out very soon. Number 3 on our list is Mike over at Woodcraft716, and the slogan of his channel is that he makes awesome projects with inexpensive tools, and that is very true. If you are into farmhouse style projects, pocket holes, and paste wax, you will love Mike's channel because pretty much everything he does involves those 3 things. So go check him out. Great content. His videos just keep getting better with each one. The 4th channel on my list is Bassador Woodworking. And this guy just made a 2x72 belt sander all by himself. He's got a great little series of where he walks through all that. And if you're interested in different types of shop projects like that, go check out his channel. It's a great little channel not a lot of people know about, but I very much enjoy his content. The 5th YouTuber on my list is a channel called Man Woodworking. This guy has a great mix of both tool reviews and build videos. His favorite build video of mine is he just made this American flag, and he set the whole build video to patriotic music instead of just the usual random music that somebody has found for free. He's got some patriotic music going, and it just really makes for a very fun little flag build. So if you like flags, if you like tool reviews and all sorts of things like that, go check out Man Woodworking. The 5th channel on my list is a channel called Bill Builds. I mean, his name's got alliteration in it. How cool is that? But this guy has a video of a working wooden trebuchet. Trebuchet? Sure. That thing that launches things. But anyways, really cool. Go check that out. He also bends plywood, which is, I mean, awesome. You need to bend some plywood on purpose and not just buy the pre-bent stuff that Lowe's has. Go check out his channel. Lots of cool videos. But Bill Builds, it's actually as fun to watch as it is to say. Okay, I think we're on number 7 now, and number 7 on my list is a channel called Bud DIY. Now, if you're interested in things like woodworking, homesteading, and electronics, and you can't find them all in the same place, you need to go check out Bud DIY because he really has it all there. He's got a great little mix of tool reviews, homesteading content, woodworking, electronics, you name it, he's got it. But also more than his YouTube channels, I really enjoy his podcast. He has a podcast as well with the same name, Bud DIY, and I'll put a link to both of them down below, both his channel on YouTube and his podcast, because both of them are great content. He does post his podcast to YouTube as well, but I prefer listening to them over on Apple Podcasts with all my other podcasts. But if you want to check out Bud DIY for a little bit of everything, It's a great channel to check out. Channel number 8 on the list is the channel that has been posting content the longest, but he took like 10 years off in the mix. It is a channel called Sawn, and he has some old videos on Polaroid cameras if you're interested in that, but all his new stuff really centers around woodworking. He's got a 175-foot square shop, which is just incredibly small, and this guy uses every square inch of it very effectively. If you want to go check out how he is using that size of a space and really taking advantage of every square inch that he has, go check out his channel. I don't know how he does it with the space that he has, but he makes it work and he builds some amazing things. So Sawn, go check out his channel. Number 9 on my list is a channel called Friday Workshop. This is a channel of a father and son that are making projects, I assume on Fridays, in their garage. It's a great little channel if you really want to see the camaraderie between a father and son as they're working on projects. They make all sorts of different things, between a basketball trash can, some kitchen utensils, and they even built a model rocket a few weeks ago. So, Friday Workshop, go check it out. Great little father-son woodworking channel. And the last channel on my list is by far the largest, but I just couldn't leave them off this list because I think they're making great content and totally deserve some more people to go check them out. It is Woodworking Monetized. So what the idea of this channel is he started with around $200, bought some tools, bought some lumber, made a few projects, sold them, and reinvested. And that's what he's been doing video after video after video. Making a new project using just the proceeds from the previous project, and then selling that so that he can buy more tools, buy more supplies to make the next project. It's a great project if you're really interested in making anything to sell, or if you just want to see how somebody can get into woodworking for a very small investment. But starting with $200 and just continually rolling the profits into bigger and better tools and more supplies for the next project. Woodworking Monetized, great idea, great channel, go check it out. But these have been the top 10 small woodworking YouTubers that I think you should go check out right now. If you liked this type of video and want to see another one, let me know, because I had a lot of people I had to leave off the list that I really wanted to get on there. It was so hard to get down to 10, but these are 10. If you want to see some more, leave me a comment and I'll do this again. Thanks for joining, and I'll see everybody next time. Goodbye.